Hey everyone, welcome. It's Puneet here from the Jantac, and today we have got the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean toothbrush, the twin pack. It's arguably one of the highest performing electric toothbrushes by Philips in this price range. The toothbrush has a great cleaning performance along with a minimalistic, good looking matte and sleek design. So let's unbox to see what's included in the packaging first. It comes with two Diamond Clean handles, white and black, along with brush heads for each handle. There are also two premium looking travel cases which are great for not only storing the brushes but also very practical as they can be used to charge the brushes if needed. The travel case is powered by a USB charger, which is a Type B mini USB connector, which is kinda outdated nowadays. The package also comes with a glass charger, which is great for daily use and charges the brush wirelessly. Along with this, the package also includes the user manual and warranty documents. At the top, there is a metal shaft where the brush head slides over. It is a straightforward and quick process and doesn't take much of the effort. It allows you to replace the brush head if needed in the future. So guys, let's take a look at the pros of the brush, but before I begin, please do watch the video till the end for the pros as well as the cons of the brushes, and let me know what's your experience with electric toothbrushes. Also, if you think buying an expensive electric toothbrush worth the money, and which one will you recommend it. So let's take a look at the pros of this toothbrush. So it comes with 5 different modes. So the brush can reach up to a velocity of 30,000 strokes per minute and comes with 5 different modes to cover all the brushing needs. For example, clean mode, which is good for daily cleaning; gum care mode, to gently massages the gum; polish mode has a lower frequency of vibration than in the standard cleaning mode; sensitive mode is for gentle yet effective cleaning of sensitive gums; and white is ideal mode to remove surface stains. Surprisingly, the toothbrush design is very sleek and plain looking, which makes it one of the best looking toothbrush out there. There's only one button on the whole brush, which can be used to turn on and off the brush as well as to cycle through the different brushing modes. This simple design allows the LED indicators to be hidden away and glows when in use and fade away when not in use to give the toothbrush a clean look. Another pro is it uses the quad pacer, which is basically a 30 seconds timer. Many electric toothbrushes have a 2 minutes timer for cleaning the teeth, and that's because it's the recommendable time by dentist. So usually people would brush but without any timer or direction. The idea of quad pacer is to spend even time in different areas to clean teeth evenly. So you move to a different section of your mouth after every 30 seconds when the timer alerts you. Once the timer finishes, the brush will automatically power off as well. So one other pros I think is a different charging option available. The base of the toothbrush is made of an inductive charging panel which allows wireless charging. It can be charged while packed away in travel case or via the glass charger provided in the package. As it's a wireless charging, the brush starts charging as soon as you put it into the glass or the travel case, if they are connected to the power source. So let's take a look at the cons then. Personally, I feel there are few cons as well of this toothbrush. Many people might not agree with me on this, but this is what I personally think. So toothbrush is capable of 14 days battery life after fully charged. Now that can be considered as a pro, as 14 days is a long time, but it's not great where other electric brushes can offer much longer time. If you're traveling for holidays anywhere for more than 14 days and forget to take the charging case or the charging cable, it can be the issue. But again, on the positive side, you can use it as a normal brush once the battery died. Another con is that travel case does not have any air vents, so you will have to make sure the brush heads are dry before you putting them in, otherwise you might risk of mold buildup over a period of time. On the other hand, charging port for the travel case is mini USB, which I think is dated. At worst, this should be a micro USB or even the new and future-proofed USB Type-C. So the last con I think is not having the Bluetooth or app connectivity. Bluetooth connection and app connectivity is probably not for everyone, but it is a great feature if someone requires it. So at this price, not seeing the Bluetooth connection is one of the letdowns. So guys, what are my final thoughts on it? I believe Philips Sonicare definitely is a great looking and a perfect for keeping your teeth clean. The travel case is a premium looking case which not only gives protection to the brush but also allows you to charge it if needed. The cleaning cycles are excellent if you require a different type of cleaning as per your requirements. After using personally myself, I highly recommend the toothbrush, if you can justify the price, of course. So guys, thank you for the time, and do let me know in the comment section below if the toothbrush is for you or not. If you like this video and find it useful in any way, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you.